Want to stand out from the real estate photography crowd and attract more clients? Let's get you Zillow certified, the free way. First, head over to the Zillow Premier Agent website. I will leave a link in the description below. If you already have a Zillow profile, great. If not, sign up. It's completely free. You will need to verify your email address. Now, here's the key. Zillow doesn't have a formal certification program with a test or fee like some might think. Achieving Zillow Certified Photographer status comes from consistently uploading high-quality photos to listings and getting positive agent and homeowner reviews. To get started, make sure your photos are top-notch, well-lit, properly framed, and showcasing the best features of the property. Use a wide-angle lens, shoot in good lighting, and edit carefully. Network with real estate agents in your area, offer your photography services, and let them know you're aiming for Zillow prominence. Quality photos and positive reviews from agents is how you organically become Zillow certified. As you consistently deliver excellent photos and receive great reviews, your listings will naturally rank higher on Zillow, effectively branding you as a go-to photographer without ever paying a dime. Now you're equipped to become a Zillow standout. Like this video and subscribe for more real estate photography tips.